Hello friends, today in this video you will be able to see the beautiful mountains, surface area of Mars in these pictures taken by NASA's Mars rover. Friends, looking at Mars, I feel that billions of years ago life would have been possible here too, like on Earth. Friends, very strange and suspicious sights are seen in different places on the surface of Mars, which appears to be on rocks, mountains, or something like a unidentified flying object UFO or unidentified anomalous phenomenon. Let us know what you think by commenting. Friends, by looking at the marks made on mountains and rocks in the pictures of the surface of Mars, we will be able to analyze the past of Mars as well as the future of humans on Mars. Friend, NASA's Curiosity Mars rover used its Mars camera or Mars cam to capture this panorama as it headed toward the center of the scene, an area that appears to be the narrow Ferrate-Puy Pass. On August 14th, the 3563 Martian day of the mission. The hill on the right is Bolivar and on the left is Deep Valley. The floor of the massive Gale crater is visible in the background and upper right. Friends, this panorama was stitched together after 146 images were sent back to Earth. The colors shown have been adjusted to match lighting conditions as human eyes would see them on Earth. Friends, Curiosity was built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed by Caltech in Pasadena, California. JPL leads this mission. Friends, with this you will also be able to see the view of hills, broken rocks, mountain pieces of rocks, and so on. Do tell what you think by commenting. So let's take a look at the surface of Mars. See this shocking scene of Mars life. Friends, the image has been white balanced to show what the rocks would like if they were on Earth. Friends, the rover's Mars jet instrument captured the images when Perseverance was about halfway through a boulder field that was 0.6 miles wide. Friends, the composed of 53 images, this mosaic looks west toward the rim of Mars Jezero crater. On July 8, 2023, the 814th Martian day of NASA's Perseverance rover mission. Friends, the objective for Perseverance mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for sign of ancient microbial life, and the rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way for human exploration of the red planet, and be the first mission to collect and catch Martian rock and regolith. The rover is currently exploring the top of a fancy pile of sedimentary rock that is 820 feet tall and features that suggest water first flowed around it. Coral, sediment grains, and circular shaped rocks at the site, along with hundreds of images stitched together into two mosaics, have led scientists to believe it may have been
a powerful river system. Friends, those sediments and rocks indicate a high energy rivers that's tracking and carrying a lot of debris. The more powerful the water flow, the more easily it is able to move larger pieces of material. Friends, NASA's Perseverance Mars rover captured this mosaic of an isolated hill nicknamed Pine Stand. Scientists think sedimentary layers stacked on top of one another here could have been formed by a deep, fast-moving river. But uncertainty about their formation remains because the layers are expectantly told by Earth geology standards to have been created by a river, some standing 66 feet high. Friends, the mosaic was captured by Perseverance Mars jet camera on February 26, 2023, the 18th Martian day of the mission, and the mosaic was stitched together from 18 individual Mars jet images after they were sent back to Earth.
Friends, this selfie was taken by NASA's Curiosity Mars rover on February 26, 2020, the 26th at a 7th Martian day or shoal of the mission. The crumbling rock layer at the top of the image is the green hue pediment which Curiosity climbed soon after taking the image. Pressed directly to the left of Curiosity's foremost whale is a hole the rover drilled at a rock feature called Hutton. This selfie includes 86 individual images taken by the Mars handless imager Mahalik camera on the end of Curiosity's robotic arm. The images were then stitched into a panel. Friends, the images was acquired on March 11, 2024, sold for 87. NASA's Mars Perseverance rover acquired this image using its onboard left navigation camera, NavCam. Friends, we hope that the video is informative and useful to you. If yes, then please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel Depth Space for more such videos, Mars, Moon and other space. Thanks for watching.